Welcome back to Awesome Possum Hobbies and Games. This is Chris, and I'm opening another Temu build for building blocks. This is a superhero car, otherwise known as a Batmobile or the Tumbler. Let's see how close it is to a good Lego set. And we're getting ready to do this build for this superhero car? Brick toy superhero car. So these are the wannabe Legos. After break number one, I went through and separated all the different colored bricks into different piles, blue, cream color. Already put the tires on the cars, assembled the minifigures, already come up with the one thing that really is going to be a stickler for some people is if you look at the eyes on the mask, the eyes don't line up from the actual minifig, and then of course it's hard to adjust. So there's error number one. Otherwise, minifigures are actually pretty good that have very nice graphics on them. The print job was very good. The pieces do not feel cheap. They feel like good minifigs, unlike some of the other minifigs I've opened in the past. Overall, there's only a few different colors, few smoked translucent pieces, blue, gray, light gray, black, and yellow, and of course tires, and then some clear pieces of various colors. So here I go. Let's see how long it takes to go through and build. Hopefully the instructions are correct, because otherwise it's going to be a very long day. Stay tuned. I'm back. Final build update on the Tumbler. Lego Tumbler, well, it's not really Lego. It's the Chinese knockoff. The superhero brick toys. 365 pieces. It's not bad. It was really good for $10.95. It was an amazing deal. The build quality was fantastic. The only thing I worry about, of course, is the wheels. They're only held on by a simple plastic pin. It goes only to about here. Overall, build was great, fantastic. The instructions were the best I've seen for one of these Chinese knockoffs. I think they took the build design straight from a Lego and put it into their own template, which is fine. I think overall everything was great about it. The only issue I had was you're putting a lot of black pieces on top of other black pieces. Nothing wrong with the color black or dark gray. The issue is, of course, that you're not able to necessarily find it when they're put on there. So the difficulty I had was right here, number 61. You're looking through all of here to find out where it needs to go. It actually goes across this yellow brick right here. Yeah, and you can see them right in there. The other issue that did come up is magically some bricks. Let's go ahead and look at number 60. There's supposed to be some vent bricks, 2x1 flats that go right here. You see them magically appear right here. And they don't actually end up going into the build until about 68, 70. So you can either put them in there or you don't have to. One or the other, it's up to you. Overall, things are fantastic build. Would I have bought this in the first place? $10.95 is fantastic. It has a great number of pieces that I could use for any other creative build. Overall, it's a fantastic build. It has lots of moving parts, moving pieces. The kids will be thrilled about playing with this, I'm sure. Anyways, till next time, keep them building. Of course, keep them rolling. Have a fantastic day.
And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please take the time to like the video and subscribe if you'd like to stay updated. Have a great day and keep them rolling.